Amy's at the market with her mom today. They're shopping for food. Wow, there are so many fruits and vegetables. Look at all this cheese. Cheese comes from the milk of farm animals like goats and cows. Lily's at the market too. She needs some eggs. Eggs come from chickens. Hello, chicken. Lily likes eggs for breakfast. Yum. But sometimes she has jam on toast. You can find lots of different fruit jams at the market. At home, Lily and her sister sometimes help their grandma make strawberry jam. It's their favorite jam. Lily's mom's buying some meat. Meat comes from animals like cows. Oh, I'm hungry now. We don't just need plants and animals for food. Let's see what else we can find at the market. Look at these baskets. People use many kinds of plants to make baskets. It's amazing.